Who was that?
His name is Lockdown.
How do you know him?
Long story, just help me up, please. Oh God, it hurts so much.
Are you alright?
I don't know. That Blondertron really did a number on me, eh?
Ratchet?
Oh, this really hurts. Really hurts. That's not good. Oh God. Ratchet. Don't just stand there. Give me a hand, won't you? Ratchet, I'm so sorry. Don't be sorry. It's my fault I got in between him and his sword. Yeah, the blame's mine for my own departure.
No. Ratchet, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine, Ratchet.
Bumblebee, don't be clingy. We all pass someday.
I know, but please, not here. Not now.
Just give it up. I'm not coming up. Oh, God. Is this what death feels like?
No. Stay with us, Ratchet, please. Please.
I think I'll rest now.
No. Are you happy? Is this what you wanted? You're a monster, and so am I. Bumblebee, calm down. All he ever did was try to help people. And look what you've done to him! Are you satisfied?
Bumblebee,
Calm down.
Bumblebee, stop. It's not his fault.
Please don't die, Ratchet. Please don't die.
I'm afraid I have no choice now.
Please, no, don't. Please, just wake up. Just get up, please. Ratchet, I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. This is the consequence of war. I'm just another casualty.
But you're my friend.
And you were mine. But we all go someday. But you, all four of you made mine the best I could have asked for. is he? He has become one with the Matrix.
No. No, he can't be. He was the one who was supposed to save us.
And he did. He did every moment of his life. Up until the very end.
But he's not supposed to die like this.
It's not our choice how we die, Bumblebee. It just happens. It's okay. I understand how it feels. It's ironic. He could always save others from death. But in the end, he couldn't save himself.
Megatron, why are you here?
Only to give you my dearest condolences.
Why are you really here?
Actually, I could be asking that question to you. Why are you on my battleship?
We're here to settle this dispute once and for all.
Jazz,
And if you haven't noticed, people get hurt by you. By your petty little fight.
oh, do they? I couldn't notice. So tell me, Jazz, how exactly do you intend on settling it? I think you know very well, Buckethead. Well, in that case, Decepticons! Autobots, stand your ground! Hello, Ally. Get away from me, blue bird. Megatron, this ends one way or another. Or at the end of this day, one stands and one falls.
No, I won't let you hurt one more of my friends.
Bumblebee?
You took Ratchet. You're not taking anyone else.
I would have waited an eternity for this.
Well, looks like you'll have to wait an eternity more.
Oh, what? Get him off of me! What the hell?
Don't just stand there. Help the guy out.
Right. Omar, what are you doing?
I serve you no longer.
Get it off! Get it off!
I'm getting out of here.
Where are you going?
Away from here.
You're weak. Just like your medic.
I may be weak, but at least I know better.
Did somebody ask for the cavalry? Because it's arrived.